I know there's a lot of people out there that are buying and selling their homes, and of course you need to be picking up the phone and calling Joe Coleman at those Callaways because you're going to make life easier on everybody. But I also love that you have a home to tell us about today.
Absolutely, and this one is a must-see if we've ever had one. It's a beautiful home. It's in sought-after and gated Doubletree Canyon, which is just centrally located as it can get, minutes from bountiful amenities. It's a wonderful property. It's got vaulted ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows. It's got a 3-car garage, a beautifully appointed guest suite actually right off the garage, a bonus guest suite. It's got a very generous master suite with a generous ensuite and generous closet space. I mean, this home just has everything you can possibly get. And saving the best for last, it's perched on a hilltop, so you get private mountain views. You just get to see for miles from this property. It's really just a must-see, and it's anybody wanting to buy in this area needs to come by and check this out. It's going to be open today from 1 to 4, and like I said, you've just got to come soak in these views and just what this house has to offer.
It does sound gorgeous. And can I ask what the price is of something like this?
It's going to go up at $1,699, so $1,699,000. And for this neighborhood and what you get and being perched up on the hilltop, which is a rarity in this neighborhood, it's just really a property that's probably going to go pretty quickly.
Oh, I am sure it will be. And then I know I'm always telling people, no matter what they're looking for, if this is not the house for them or they don't get this one, they need to be contacting you anyway because you're going to help them find that home.
Absolutely. Whatever your real estate needs are, buying, selling, anything, just give us a call and we're always here to help.
Well, of course you are. So thank you for joining us again.
Thank you.